Hi there, what can I get for you today?
Can I get a salty cream cold brew? Grande, please.
You got it.
That's it.
Awesome.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a couple of weeks. Hope everybody enjoyed their Independence Day weekend. I know I did. We are finally gonna be cutting the fenders. So I actually gotta pick up some tools from Home Depot, and then I'll meet you guys back at the garage. All right, I know it's messy, but we got everything. All the extra stuff is here. Grinders, pads, whatever we need. Safety gear, all good. So, let's get to work, guys. Alright, so after moving everything out of the way, we had to get rid of the inner wheel well so we can expose the actual metal. For the rears, there are actually two pieces that conjoins into one. We're gonna be cutting off the edge to where the 2 points meet, and then we're gonna make our way to the outer skin. Then we're gonna use the inner skin to fold up, and that's where we're gonna be welding. 'Cause I don't trust myself welding. So Aaron is gonna be welding. The main thing that we want to do is make sure that we keep the most structural integrity as possible. We're kind of running a little conservative right now on the cut because we can always cut back more if we need to.
I hope you know you're a madman for doing this in a freaking tank top.
Yeah, so, safety second.
Safety second.
No, you gotta get the airflow. You know?
Oh.
Oh my god.
This thing is thick!
For a body panel? Yeah, it's pretty thick.
So we ran into a small little problem. When I was separating the inner and outer skin, this little thing fell out. I believe to be insulation on the inside well. So when we have to cut, we have to make sure that we don't overheat the metal too much to where we can start a fire. Because I don't want to start a fire on the car, because that would suck. Now that we have the outer skin out and we have this inside skin exposed, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be cutting relief cuts so that we can use just a rubber mallet, and we're gonna prop it up. It flexes a lot when you just have the outer skin exposed with nothing attached to it. So that's why we're gonna use the relief cut, and we're gonna weld it on together to the outer skin, just to add more rigidity to the car. I should have said this earlier, but if you guys want to see more, make sure you guys like this video and make sure you guys subscribe. Also, I'm gonna put it up here somewhere. I did create a playlist from everything from the beginning of when we started. So if you guys are only tuning in now, I have a full playlist from start to where pretty much when we got the wide body till now. So make sure you guys go check out the playlist just to get up to speed on what we did so far. Also, if you guys can do me a favor, follow me on Instagram at Lance_GTC. I will be showing a little bit of behind the scenes stuff through my Instagram story and stuff that you can see earlier prior to me uploading videos. So if you want to get a quick scoop, follow me on Instagram as well.
Your finger.
Ow.
Of course.
I got a boo-boo.
Something actually does go wrong.
I got a boo-boo.
Did I take my tetanus shot? I'm pretty sure. I got stabbed before. Okay, yeah, I have my tetanus shot. So Aaron's gonna be cutting, or not cutting. Aaron's gonna be grinding it down, and he's gonna be the master of welding because I cannot weld for my life, and he has a way steadier hand than I do. Just for everybody watching, what are we using?
So this is a flap disc. So for those of you wondering, flap discs versus like a grind wheel, this is just like a lot of layered sandpaper. This is better for smoothing. If anyone's wondering, it's better. These are actually more expensive. It sucks, but they grind way better.
Just so you guys know, the reason why we have to grind before we do any welding is because we don't want to be welding with paint. We want to be welding with bare metal.
I'm not gonna lie, this feels so wrong.
Okay. So for you guys watching, for the past 10-15 minutes, it was just like utter silence in the garage. It was- and it's hot as hell right now. So like Aaron's welding and I'm just holding the camera and we're just like silent the whole time until this is done. But take a look at it. It's all tack welded now. Everything's all good. Next is cut, grind, and hopefully she'll end up looking clean. Everything is finally cleaned up. To finish the day, we're only gonna do just one side for now. This is actually really good for our first ever trying to do this. The inner and outer fenders are finally put together. The only thing that we have to do now for this side, we're gonna use a little bit of Rust-Oleum just to cover out or just to seal the holes that we drilled for the Downstar hardware. So it's a lot of exposed metal and I really don't want to get it like exposed to any water or any moisture, so we're just gonna close off just the little edges with a little bit of Rust-Oleum, and we're probably just gonna call it a day from there. Vlog girlfriend vlog.
Hello.
Rhea vlog Rhea. So we just got done with a photo shoot. It's kind of sketch around this beach because it's like
Can we go? Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Hurry up, let's go. Hi, we'll talk to you. Hurry.
Oh my god. She's terrified right now. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, wait, let's get out of here.
Oh
and then we'll talk at the same time.
Hurry up.
Wait, hold on. So we just got done with a photo shoot for Rhea's brand. Tell everybody about your brand.
It's Lamansi. Yes, I am Filipino. If you're Filipino too, you can connect the dots with that one.
Let's just give everybody a quick spiel. So how long have we been together?
We've been together since 2008.
And we met where?
At school.
So we met at, we went to the same middle school. We went to a Catholic school, St. John's. Unfortunately, this year they're finally closing after 60 plus years. So that place actually has a It actually has a really big place in our heart because that's where we met. She's been there since what, pre-K? Kindergarten.
They didn't have preschool
yeah,
when
that's right.
I was there. They had preschool the year after, so I was there since kindergarten.
So basically she was a lifer. I was only there for middle school years. She'll be in and out of the vlogs. Hopefully we can get her a car too. One day we're gonna swap out her Camry for a Supra. Okay, what's your dream car? Tell everybody what's your dream car.
I want. Okay, but it's not a fast car. A Rolls Royce.
You heard that, guys? She wants a Rolls Royce.
That's what
I ain't
we're
buying
working-
it.
we're
I'm not buying it.
We're working for it. Your girl's working for it. Either that or a Ferrari would be nice.
A Ferrari what?
I don't even know.
Okay, okay, I know what Ferrari she wants. She wants the 458, not the 488. She wants the 458.
I literally don't know the difference between the two.
Oh my god. Okay, well, she wants a Rolls Royce. Put it that way. We got a lot of work to do.
That is
That's
a
a lot of-
house. It's a house. I get it. It's a house, but
What are you gonna do with a Rolls Royce in Hawaii?
have you not seen people
Okay,
in Hawaii
what?
Kai?
Like 2 people.
In Hawaii Kai
Oh my
that
God.
have them.
We'll get there, guys.
We'll get there. Maybe not.
Okay, put it this way. You know how many cars you can buy with just from buying one Rolls Royce? You know how many like regular-ish cars you could buy?
Like 10.
Exactly.
Like exactly 10.
10. 8 if you're being a little bit stingy.
We'll get there when we get there.
Yeah. You guys are gonna meet her throughout the vlogs. She is my backbone. I'm gonna say that now. Again, hopefully we're gonna get her a car to build, or she's just gonna make me build it, whatever.
Absolutely.
But yeah. Okay, we're ending the vlog here. We're gonna go eat. We're hungry and it's hot. Peace out.
Bye.